Please subscribe and click the hype and like button to get more content like this. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes. To show you how to protect yourself, all demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment on our own testing devices. We never target real users, and using this knowledge to gain unauthorized access to actual people or systems is strictly illegal and unethical. In this demonstration, we'll explore how to perform DNS enumeration using the Amass tool in Kali Linux. Amass is an open-source tool designed for DNS enumeration and network mapping. It helps security professionals identify subdomain IP addresses and related network assets. Amass is primarily used during the reconnaissance phase of ethical hacking and vulnerability assessments. First, open Kali Linux terminal. Next, go to the top left corner and click on the Applications menu. Locate the Information Gathering section. The first tool listed should be Amass. Click on it to open. You should now see the Amass command line interface. You can now see several flag options available. -h shows the program usage message. -help. This will show a list of available commands and usage instructions. -version checks and prints the version of Amass installed. Some important subcommands include Amass Intel, used to discover targets for enumeration. Amass Enum, used to perform DNS enumeration and network mapping. Now, let's perform a basic enumeration using Amass. First, clear the terminal. Then type the following command. Amass enum -d google.com. Press enter. Please note that this scan may take some time. Since google.com is a large domain with many subdomains, the scan duration can vary. As the scan begins, Amass will start retrieving domain information. This includes DNS records, IP addresses, and other useful data related to the target domain. Let's allow the scan to progress. In the output, we can observe it has identified google.com, name server, or NS records for google.com, ns3.google.com, ns4.google.com, smtp.google.com, api.smalli.google.com. It has also discovered a CNAME record for api.google.com. These DNS records are key components of DNS enumeration and play an important role in network mapping. It may take a few more minutes to list more records. We can now see the message. The enumeration has finished. In the output, we can see analytics.google.com has a CNAME record pointing to analytics-alv.google.com. dir.google.com is a CNAME record that points to directory.google.com. earth.google.com has a CNAME record pointing to www.3.smalli.google.com. This output shows how Amass can be used to discover DNS-related assets effectively. And with that, we conclude the demonstration on DNS enumeration using the Amass tool in Kali Linux.